Okay, so what's up guys, Charles from 3 Things Dev, and right now I'm gonna do a quick video on the stabilization for the iPhone XS against the iPhone 8 Plus, against the GoPro Hero 6, and against the Google Pixel. So let's test it out right now in terms of audio and video quality for the back camera as well as some photographs. So let's go. Okay, so right now we are walking handheld with the iPhone XS as well as the iPhone 8 Plus. So just doing a quick walk around handheld to see which stabilization is better. I'm just walking at normal pace. The audio as well, so doing a pan around. Okay, so I'm gonna walk a bit more around this. Okay, so right now I think this should be enough to get a good view on the stabilization as well as the audio. Both are shooting at 4K 60 frames. Right now we're gonna test it out against the Google Pixel. Okay, so right now we are handheld again, the iPhone XS against the Google Pixel 1. This is not the XL version. Google Pixel 1 has no optical image stabilization, only electronic image stabilization, but it's pretty crazy. One of the best image stabilizations I've ever seen on a handphone is from the Google Pixel. So just testing out the quality, the audio, and the stabilization. So we're gonna do a walk around. Okay, so the next competitor is the GoPro Hero 6. So yep, let's test it out. Okay, so right now GoPro Hero 6 against the iPhone XS, both handheld as well, both shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. The only device that couldn't reach 60 frames per second on 4K was the Google Pixel. So that was on 4K 30 frames per second. Panning views. This is continuous walking, and also the audio quality as well as the visual stabilization. Handheld walking. So one thing I like to do a lot of videos is I like to walk sideways to have a pan shot. So let's test out how easy it is when you're walking sideways. Okay, so that's all. So now we're going to do some photographs and see how it looks. So one big difference is that the telephoto lens on the iPhone XS has optical image stabilization. So let's see how it works against the iPhone 8 Plus without the optical image stabilization. You can see it's a lot better for the telephoto lens on the iPhone XS as well as the against the iPhone XS against the iPhone 8 Plus. So you can see the optical image stabilization. I'm gonna try and walk about a bit. You can see a lot of difference there in optical image stabilization. So that's pretty good. That's a good improvement in the camera.